Well, welcome to our Wings of America Bird Show. And also, of course, we'd like to welcome you to Eagle Mountain Sanctuary. First up, my name is Beth. Joining me on the stage is Kayla. Well, in the back, doing our sound and multimedia, we have Craig. We are with the American Eagle Foundation. At the American Eagle Foundation, we work closely with Dollywood.
A male Harris hawk. Harris hawks are also known as the wolves of the sky. They're one of the few Now you won't find these birds in our neck of the woods, but if you happen to find yourself in the southwest part of the United States, keep your eyes open.
Today, I'd like you all to meet our incredible great horned owl, Atlas. Atlas is a female great horned owl, which is one of the largest members of the owl family. Unfortunately for Atlas, though, she does have a cataract in her left eye. Yeah, skunks, even porcupines.
You all to meet Gimli. He gets that a lot. So very often when I take Gimli out of his nest box, people look at him, they see he's small, he's got those feather tufts on his head, they think he must be a baby great horned owl. But this is not the case. Gimli is a full-grown eastern screech owl. And screech owls have been misnamed. We don't really here at the American Eagle Foundation. Now if this happens to you,
I'm sure with its bright red head. Cuckoo! Well, he's a good example of a human-imprinted bird, or a bird that was taken from his nest at a very early age and raised by humans. Therefore, Cuckoo does not see himself as a black vulture. Instead, he sees himself as a very handsome, like lightning rod fast. Are you ready to meet him? Cuckoo, come on out here. Here he comes, here he comes. Hey, Cuckoo, what do you think, big guy? Hey!
George is our 31-year-old male turkey vulture. Now the turkey vulture does get its name from that bare-skinned red head that resembles a wild turkey, but in the animal kingdom, this bird is best known for its sense of smell. They can smell a carcass as fresh as 12 hours old. Now unfortunately, our perceptions of vultures are largely shaped by cartoons we see as kids. They come across as
The golden eagle gets its name from the beautiful golden-colored feathers found on the back of its head and neck. The golden eagle is the most common eagle found on every continent in the northern hemisphere. In the United States, it is more a bird of the West. Living in
At only 6 weeks of age, Abraham was blown from his wild nest here in Sevier County during a thunderstorm, and he suffered a permanent injury to his left wing. He is not releasable. Some of you might be wondering why I'm calling Abraham a bald eagle. So adult size and making their first flights at only 12 weeks. Sadly, only about half the birds hatched in a given year will live to see their second spring. Our non-releasable breeding pairs here at Dollywood. It's up to us all to preserve what we have left and to repair what we have damaged. We did not inherit this earth from our parents. We're simply borrowing it from the next generation. Thank you guys, you have been a wonderful audience, and we do still have one more bird coming up.
Fold it in half, hand it to Friar Tuck, who will take it in his beak and put it right into his donation box. Today, for donations of $5, you can take Friar Tuck home with you on your very own Friar Tuck Took My Money bumper sticker.